In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use cell linking in Smartsheet to connect data between different sheets quickly and accurately. Cell linking is one of the most powerful features in Smartsheet because it allows you to pull information from one sheet into another automatically, keeping your data consistent and up to date without manual copying and pasting. If you work with multiple sheets for reporting, dashboards, or project tracking, this is going to save you a lot of time. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Smartsheet tips and step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and navigate to the sheet where you want the linked data to appear. This will be your destination sheet. Once you're inside the sheet, click on any cell where you want the data from another sheet to show up. It can be any cell in your grid, but make sure it's the exact location where you want the linked value displayed. Next, right-click on that cell. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Link from Cell in Other Sheet. This is the option that allows you to connect this specific cell to a cell located in a completely different Smartsheet document. After clicking that option, a new window will open, prompting you to select the source sheet. This is the sheet that contains the original data you want to link from. Browse through your available sheets and select the correct document. If you have many sheets, you can use the search bar to quickly find the one you need. Once you select the sheet, Smartsheet will display its grid so you can choose the exact cell or range you want to link. Now, click on the specific cell in the source sheet that contains the data you want to pull into your destination sheet. You'll see it highlighted once selected. Double-check that you've chosen the correct cell, because whatever is in that source cell will now feed directly into your current sheet. Once you've confirmed your selection, click on Create Link. Smartsheet will immediately establish the connection between the two cells. You'll now see the linked value appear in your destination sheet. The cell will usually display a small indicator showing that it's linked, meaning the value is being pulled from another sheet. From this point forward, whenever the data changes in the source sheet, it will automatically update in your destination sheet. This ensures real-time consistency across multiple documents without any manual updates. Keep in mind that linked cells are read-only in the destination sheet, so if you need to edit the value, you'll need to make changes directly in the original source sheet. Cell linking is especially useful for summary reports, master dashboards, cross-project tracking, and consolidating information from multiple teams into one overview sheet. Instead of duplicating data and risking errors, you're creating a live connection that keeps everything aligned. And that's it. That's exactly how you use cell linking in Smartsheet to connect data between sheets quickly and efficiently. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Smartsheet tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.